Hello everyone, once again with a new video on how to set up RStudio in Windows. Open your Chrome browser and just type download R for Windows. And then select the first link, download R for Windows. And on the top left corner you can see download R for Windows for PC 64-bit. If your PC is having 64-bit you can directly install it. If the installation has been not started, you can see that at the bottom the mirror website is available where you can download the mirror file without any issues. But for us the installation is continued, so we don't need this. And next we want to install the IDE. Download RStudio for Windows. Go through the first link. Now it shows that installation for R. The installation of R is directly we install from the CRAN website. So I will show how it works. The installation of R is 3 and 3 plus, but we already installed the version of 4. We can directly go for RStudio setup. Now I am installing the RStudio. The RStudio console must be installed first, then only we should install the RStudio IDE, because the IDE doesn't know whether the console is present or not, so we must initialize it. I have already posted the video for Visual Studio setup for C, C++ and Java and Python. If you missed that, you can see, I will tag in the I button. The installation of IDE has been completed. Just wait for the console to run. The console is from direct server, so it takes some time. Now the installation is ready. Click the administration yes and then start installing. Directly I am installing to C and select all the 3 checkboxes and accept the terms and conditions here. Next, I like to see in the text format. If you like to see in HTML, you can convert it. Browsing the name as R, and I don't want to create any launch icons. After installation completed, now we can install the RStudio. The installation of RStudio is also simple. Feel free to ask in comments if you are facing any problems in installation of RStudio. Now the setup is completed. Let me run the RStudio. This is the RStudio console. We need to run the IDE. I will start running the IDE now. I am initializing it now and selecting to auto detect the RStudio. And you can see that I have not created any R data, so it shows me a warning to create an R data. That means the data file should be saved. Ctrl S will be saving the data file, but for now I am skipping this part. And the console is ready. If you want any videos on customization in R or any installation of packages like ggplots, mention in the comments. I will be showing on the next video or I uploading in the shorts. See you soon on the next video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye.